Well, we got the Hurricane Beryl coming through today. And bless us with a little more rain. Old Mississippi is on a rampage at Hannibal, Missouri. Hopefully she won't rise that much more and go down. Folks ain't flooded out. Nice easy rain. We can always use the rain. The last few rains have really soaked in the ground. It hadn't run off much, but this might run off a little bit. Nice easy rain. It'd be nice. You lay down in there sleeping. I'd even turn that old air conditioner off. By the time I get caught up on mowing, comes another rain, the grass shoots up again. Yeah, that's all I got to report today. On this video anyway. Thanks for watching.